question 20, paper 2, 2017 for Edexcel. So you should have your paper in front of you whilst you're kind of watching this. So we've got a shape that looks like this. It says that from A to B is a tangent at the point A, and BC is a tangent at the point C. So therefore we know that makes a right angle there. Okay, because we know from our circle theorems that the radius makes a right angle with a tangent. Okay, and because they make right angles here, I know that I can split that down the middle, and I've effectively made two triangles, right angled triangles with 60 degrees because I've halved that angle, and know this is 10 meters. So I've got a right angled triangle and I've got an angle, so I'm going to use trig. So this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. This hypotenuse is always diagonally opposite the right angle, opposite is always opposite the angle, so this must be adjacent. Because we want to work out this shaded area, okay, so we're going to need to find the area of the total quadrilateral and then take this area of the sector away. So area of the triangle, I need the base, which I've got, and I need the height, so I need the opposite. So I've got adjacent and opposite, which is tan. So I've got that tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So I've got I know my angle, so I've got tan 60 equals opposite, I don't know. Adjacent is 10. So 10 lots of tan 60 is my opposite. So I can work out my opposite. So I've got 10 lots of tan 60 is 10 root 3. Okay, so I've got 10 root 3. So 10 root 3 is up here. So now that's my height. So I can find the area of the whole quadrilateral. Because I've got two triangles. And then I've got a half times base times height. So area of quadrilateral. Okay, the 2 and the half cancel out. 10 times 10 root 3, so I've got 100 root 3. I didn't use the exact value because then I'd have to write it out all the time. Area of the sector is, so you should be able to remember this, it's a proportion of the circle, so it's theta over 360, and then the area is pi r squared, so pi times r squared. So theta is 120 over 360 times pi, or 10 squared is 100. Okay, if I put that in my calculator, so I've got 120 over 360 times pi times 100, and it would 100 over 3 pi. To find that shaded area, which is actually what I need, so area of the shaded part, it's asked us for 3 significant figures. So area of the shaded part, I'm going to do the total quadrilateral, take away the area of the sector. So total quadrilateral was 100 root 3. Take away area of the sector, 100 over 3 pi. Type that in my calculator. So I've got 100 lots of root 3. Take away 100 over 3 times pi. So my answer is 68.4853254, and to 3 significant figures, what it's asked for, so 68.5, and units are meters squared because it's area.